Here at Lloyd Land Rover Kelso, we are pleased to present this Range Rover 3.0 P550e Autobiography, finished in Charente Grey metallic exterior paint, with 22-inch, 10-spoke, gloss black alloy wheels. Some of the standout features on this car include digital LED headlights, front fog lights, power folding heated door mirrors with blind spot assist, keyless entry, sliding panoramic roof, privacy glass, and below the bumper we can see the electrically deployable tow bar. As we enter now beneath the power gesture tailgate, we can see the load space with the auto-folding load space cover and the tailgate event suite. Entering into the rear of the cabin now, we can see the sliding panoramic roof from the inside, as we turn to see the executive class rear seats with the electrically reclining centre armrest. Entering now into the front of the cabin, we can see the memory seat buttons on the door card, as we turn in to see the 24-way heated and cooled memory massage front seats, finished in pearl and no leather. And as we turn to the multifunction steering wheel, we can see the adaptive cruise control with the heated steering wheel button, the chrome gear shift paddles, the interactive driver display. We also have the head-up display, as well as the hands-free mobile controls. On the touch display we can see the climate controls for the front seats, as well as the rear seats. We also have the massage control for the front row, with various options on offer. And we can see now the 3D surround camera system, which offers various views around the vehicle, and the towing assist. For more information on this vehicle, please get in touch with our sales team on the contact details provided.